Good morning, guys. It is currently 6:30 in the morning. The first night sleeping in Italy. Made my espresso for the morning. I slept pretty well. I woke up a couple of times around 1, 3 a.m. but quickly went back to sleep, and now I've decided to get up for the day, get a little coffee in. I think we're going to go for a run, and then who knows, we'll see what's on the agenda today. I haven't really made plans for the first day because I didn't know how jet lagged I was going to be when I got here, but I think after our run we'll see how we're feeling, and I have a feeling we're probably going to get up to some fun stuff today. It is such a beautiful day. Being around all of this vegetation is so fresh. Oh, this is a lifestyle I can get used to. Let's do a little run around the property. Maybe we'll discover a thing or two. Who knows? Looks like I got a friend. Oh, he stopped. One day this would have been a thing I was doing in my life. Going on an early morning run, 1, 2, running through a vineyard. I mean, if I had this at my disposal every day, I think I would be doing this every single day without fail. There wouldn't be any, oh, I don't want to run that, I don't want to go. With scenery like this, who wouldn't want to do this? That was good. Let's go run back to the house, take a little shower, then we have a trip. We're heading from the town that we're in, which is Formigine. It's pronounced Formigine. Which is like it's a small town that's a suburb of Modena. And we are actually heading into Modena proper, where we're going on a tour. I've been talking with my tour guide. He is a bit camera shy, so we won't be filming him. However, he did say we're gonna do this tour by grabbing a couple beers and walking around the city. So this is the type of tour that I'm down for. Hopefully we're able to learn a thing or two as well.
minute here on the walk, I just wanted to thank my good friends at Orange Tattoo Company in Annapolis, Maryland for sending me this dope shirt. If you happen to be in the Annapolis area looking for some ink, I highly recommend going to Orange Tattoo Company. The owner is a very close personal friend of mine and one of the most genuine human beings that you are ever likely to meet, and you would just be doing yourself an honor just to go and meet him, if I'm being quite honest. Alright guys, we're at the train station. Now we're on our way to Modena. We're just exiting the Modena train station, where we were just at yesterday that we had arrived in from Milan. Today though, we're actually going to explore the city a bit, try to learn something new, and really dive deep into the Italian history and culture, hopefully. What I love about Europe. You cannot find things like this. Right behind me, I don't even know what this building is. Hopefully I'll learn on my tour. But I have no idea what it is, but the architecture on it is absolutely astounding. And then you have outdoor restaurants that are just everywhere. Go eat outside, look at beautiful architecture. These are the things that make Europe in general so special and so unique. We just don't have things like that back in the United States. Being here, wow, what a privilege. All right, I think it's just about time to go meet up with our guide, probably grab some beers, and learn something about the city. Cheers. So guys, this beer is absolutely insane. It's from Sardinia, and I'm not sure I've actually had a beer this good, if I'm being completely honest. Did you know that there are two rivers running underneath the city, causing part of it to sink? Because I did not know that.
In fact, you can see the effects of the marshlands predominantly on Duomo di Modena. Because half of the church is sinking into the other half, something that's happening is the pressure from this phenomenon is causing the marble slabs covering the building to pop off, forcing the Italian people to use these big metal pieces, almost like giant staples, to keep this from happening. Well, I guess the Leaning Tower of Pisa isn't the only building in Italy to have a bit of a lean to it.
Their channels,
yeah,
but they kind of used to be rivers in the beginning of the time, so the Corso Canal Grande is actually means big channel, and the other one, Corso Canal Chiaro, means brighter channel, bright channel. I don't know exactly how to translate. Chiaro is bright, and underneath this, it's always the water is still running. This is the canals that's why they have to keep the name, because the water was always running through.
Oh wow.
It goes exactly to that Parco Ducale over there, that tree. I will show you a really fun fact about that building. It's also like really random. Regulations, everything stuff. And by the way, these things are called portici. And this portici in Bologna and per capita is the highest in the world. It's in every street you have this.
Oh wow.
In Modena only you have it here in some streets. In Bologna you have it everywhere, and they actually entered to UNESCO Heritage 1 month ago. Him, Pavarotti. So he actually died from pancreas cancer in 2007. Not quite recent, but he was 70 years old. He lived a really good life, loved by whole world, like so it's like a really famous.
Yeah.
But Modena also had really famous singers, but they were so attached to Modena. That's the one beautiful thing about Italians, that they are so attached to the land.